In today's high-paced world where everything happens right now, businesses are finding that using paper forms to collect information is just too yesterday. Whether your team is filling out work orders, audits, checklists, or any other forms, not getting the right data quickly can seriously cripple your business. Lost forms, bad information, manual data entry, and inefficient workflows are killing your productivity and cash flow. You deserve to get back your time with Forms on Fire, where you can automate slow processes and digitize inefficient paperwork. Invoice your customers faster, order parts quicker, do more inspections, and accelerate your cash flow. Go mobile with just about any business process, end to end. Forms on Fire offer an easy-to-use, no-code drag-and-drop mobile platform to help organisations collect, share and analyse their operational data. With features like these, it's easy to increase your efficiency and collect valuable information that you can rely on. Easily assign tasks with dispatch, share data with co-workers, and automatically send beautiful reports to customers. Integrate your data with hundreds of other software platforms for increased efficiency and real-time dashboard insights that improve your business. Forms on Fire can be customised, deployed and updated in minutes. And they work on all major mobile devices, online and offline. Say goodbye to yesterday and get your free trial today. You deserve mobile forms that work beautifully.